This is the map of Detroit. If you see here, darker the green, higher the per capita income. In this dark green here, 38k to 227k. Well, this dark green is this region of Detroit that is downtown. Here is a midtown Detroit. And if you see these blue balls, they are the emergency demolition. Here in this case, the price of this demolition is 6,000. And here in midtown, the price of this demolition is 50k. Well, you can infer that if you see a lot of emergency demolition, probably is a poor neighborhood. Well, you can see as well, you go more to the north, you have areas of darker green like Ferndale that is more rich like Royal Oak, and you go to Birmingham. If you go to the City of Detroit website, you can download the data Detroit demolitions. Just click here on the export and you choose the CSV format. This is the raw data set. This column, for example, is the price of demolition, 41k, or here 33k. Other important columns here, latitude and longitude. This is a geographic code for where is the demolition. And here you have if the demolition is an emergency or not. Let's open the CSV file. Go to more here. And the Detroit demolitions. Well, and here is the data. See the price and the latitude and the longitude. Let's drag longitude to columns and the latitude to rows. See that automatically Tableau takes the average and you have just 1 point here. That's the mean, the average. You want to disaggregate this number. Go to analysis and here deselect aggregate measures. See how many points now we have from about Detroit. Let's filter this information. Emergency demolition. Drag to filters and select yes, only the demolition that is emergency, and apply. Now let's drag neighborhood to marks and the demolition date, and let's drag price here. Now we can see here the neighborhood and you can see the price in the day of the demolition. The map doesn't look great. Let's fix this. Go to map and select map layers. And now here in style, let's put street. And here in the map layers, you can select more information. Then the map will be rich. For example, the name of the cities, the neighborhood, building footprint. We can also add data layer here. This is from Tableau. You can add age, median, male age, female age, or per capita income here. If you zoom here, you don't see any difference between income because this is a state level income. Go here, instead of state, put census tract. Now you see here as a dark green is the rich part of Detroit downtown.